are the students who wish to hone their skills in artificial intelligence and machine learning, because you will shape the world. Opportunities are plenty in healthcare and Industry 4.0, just to mention you a few things. If you are ready to take up this challenge, join Cambridge Institute of Technology, Bengaluru. We offer you special courses such as autonomous mobile robotics and drone computing. I am Anton Mills Brekma, Dean Research and Development and the head of the Department of AI and ML. Vielen Dank.